Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also in this video, we're actually going to talk about what happened today in the S&P Emini Futures, how one of our zones nailed it literally to the penny, and what I think is going to happen going forward. But real quick, make sure you check out my new Discord channel. Information's on the screen, links down below. It's a free Discord where this morning I jumped on and talked and gave a quick little learning session to a couple of the members. So make sure you guys come join us. But with that being said, let's jump right into it. This is being recorded after the market on November 4th, 2021. I said yesterday I was bullish the market. I'm actually I'm still bullish. I think 4,700 on the ESs might be the number, which might be kind of the highs, just a solid well-rounded number. But look at this, we already have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 straight up days without a lower low. Before that we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then we kind of had a one-day failure, next day back up in the uptrend. So there are things that I'm watching that I'm actually kind of getting scared with in this overall market. But with that being said, until price breaks below the previous days, we are bullish. But I'm starting to think this market is a little overextended. So just something to carry on forward tomorrow. Second, make sure you guys check out my S&P Emini weekly trade zones. What you're seeing is one of those trade zones I gave last week. It's $50 for lifetime subscription. Links down below. One-time payment, $50. This alone would have paid for it 10 times over. And in live chat, we were talking where price was rallying up, and this was in the free Discord room, where price was rallying up, and look at the divergence, right? We actually had a nice divergence. Hold on, from here to here, and then from here. Actually, where were we? Sorry, the divergence was actually from here to here, and then from here to here. But we also had a bigger divergence even from here to here, right? We could see a little bit and look at the massive move we had, right? So that was one divergence. This was another divergence back up into it. But like I said, when we were talking right around here. I'm like, hey, watch this zone. You could trade Nadex, you could trade options. I actually even did a quick little scalp down here, but I said watch for a reversal and just trust the zone. Not all zones are going to work, but today it worked perfect. And that's why we have stops. I recommend putting your stop 1 or 2 points behind the back of the zone, right? As far as where do you enter, could enter anywhere from the beginning all the way to the back of the zone. Sometimes it'll touch right here and then fail. Sometimes it'll go in a little bit, sometimes it'll go to the back. So it's just kind of understanding price action, things like that. So hopefully that helps. Another thing we were talking about, and hopefully this will help, right? We actually had a triple top right here. Okay, 1 2 3 triple top. We came down here as we were falling. I said this move was not over yet. You don't make highs, especially when you're at all-time highs on the triple top. Normally you want to see at least one of the candles make a quick high in the reversal if you're going to do that. And we actually see this happen right here. If I draw this, right here it happened, right? It's called a look above and fail. So we came back, retested, poked our head up by 1 or 2 ticks, reversed, and then that was it. Okay, when you see that, usually that's over. And I even said in the Discord room, I think this is it. We're going to probably sell off, and look at the sell off we had all the way down to about 46, 60, 56. It's almost a 20 point. Okay, again, I charge $50. I'm not trying to make this a sales pitch, but I just want you guys to see the value and learn how to use these trade zones and things like that. So going to Discord, gave a couple trade zones this morning. Neither one got hit because we just kind of took off like a rocket ship in the morning. And overnight, I even alerted you guys, hey, FYI, moving up to the upper weekly trade zone, watch for a short trade, great reversal off the trade. And then I also was telling everybody in chat, I thought we were up here. Point of control was up here. And I said, hey, I actually think we're going to probably pull back. Once I saw that little look above and fail from that triple top, right, where we poked 1 or 2 ticks and then had that sharp reversal, I said we'll probably go down to the VWAP, also the 38, bounce and build the VWAP, and that's exactly what happened. So that's what happened there. Today in the stock alert side of it, not a ton of trades, some weird moves today. I called bongo above 625, went above 3 cents and then reversed. That didn't work, but other trades worked. I said watch KPTI on a pullback for a long bounce at 785 for a scalp. I even drew the zone. So I wanted price to come back down in here and then bounce. And look at what happened. Nice reversal. Price came down, bounced, and ran all the way. Again, I look for usually 10 cents on these trades, just to get in, get out, things like that. And I just gave you guys a couple of stocks that were moving. So, again, keep it short, simple. Make sure you guys sign up to the chat room. It's free. I have a community room, stocks, and ES Futures alert room. This is probably the bread and butter. This is what a lot of people seem. So if you do trade the Emini S&P Futures, come on in and we'll see you guys inside. But as always, thank you for all the support. Glad everybody's here, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.